In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make Outlook open web links in your default browser instead of Microsoft Edge. If you're using the new Outlook for Windows, open Outlook and click the settings gear icon in the top right corner. Go to General, then select Files and Links. Look for the setting called Open Hyperlinks from Outlook or Link Opening Preferences. Choose Default Browser, then save your changes if prompted. If you don't see this option, make sure Outlook is updated to the latest version, as the setting may not be available in older releases. If you're using classic Outlook, web links normally open in your Windows default browser automatically. If they don't, open Windows Settings, go to Apps, then Default Apps, choose your preferred browser and set it as the default for HTTP, HTTPS and HTML links. That's how to open Outlook links in your default browser. Thanks for watching.